Hello, I'm Coach from Odima CrossFit. Today, we'll learn about Strongman, more variety, more fun. As you can see, there are lots of stuffs in the Strongman. Yoke, SLED, PROWLER, suitcase, sandbag, table, Atlас stone, rope, and anything you made in your real life. Today, we will learn about how to use those things in this video. Let's go. SLED or prowler push. Nothing really special. It's all functional movement. Just pay attention to arms locked out and back flat. Yoke carry. Same. Carry the yoke however you want to. Play with your grip and walk with tight core. Suitcase carry. Basically is farmer's carry. Open your chest and core tight. Sandbag carry. Again, carry it however you want to and core tight. Sandbag flip. If the weight is far away from you, back flat. If weight is near to you, you can let your lower back curve naturally. Bow slam. Clean and jerk it, or snatch it and slam it to the ground. Think about your rival's face, it will help you. Atlас stone hold. Put it on your chest and core tight. Try to not to curve your lower back if you can, but again, you can let it curve if the weight is near to you enough. SLED pull forward. It's the most fun workout. Try to put your partner on the sled. SLED pull moonwalk. It touches different muscle groups. Try the taste of hell. Vertical sled pull. Do you want to do rope climb but scared of height? Here is the best answer for you. Sit and pull. Easy. Those are the workout for those stuff. But you can be more creative. Make your own workout. Like moonwalk.